Hello, Sir Allen. Kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, unboxing and testing natin yung unit na order nyo. The Umarex Glock 45 Gen 5 Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol by Vega Force Company of Taiwan. Okay? Wait. Medyo masikip. Okay, ayun. Alright. So, ayan sir. Okay. So we have here the safety precautions guide, tapos manual, parang information guide. Tapos the Allen wrench para dun sa hop up, pang-adjust ng hop. Okay? So yan. Alright. So ito sir, Glock 45. Okay, so wait, remove natin magazine. Okay. Yan. Ito yung magazine. Sa ilalim siya, ano? So, alam niyo naman na siguro kung ano yung 45. Glock 19 length, Glock 17 na haba. Okay? So, ayan. Always remember to keep your trigger finger out until the time that you're going to pull the trigger. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at the safe direction. Okay? So, ito yung magazine. Lagyan natin ng BB, tsaka gas. Okay? So, bakit 7 lang? Bay. Nine, okay? So, dito sa kabila, yung last BB. Okay? Tapos, lagyan natin ng gas. Okay? Okay, good naman. Wala naman singaw. Alright. So, ayan sir. Inserting the magazine. Okay, check natin kung ilan ng... basically, check natin dito yung blowback kasi sa mga Umarex, malakas yung blowback eh. FPS, iba-iba eh. Regulated din kasi. So, check natin kung ilan. Alright, so to, firing. Okay naman. Lakas yung blowback as usual. And medyo mataas din FPS niya, 331. Okay. 323. 313. 314.9. Okay? So, okay na tayo sa FPS and sa blowback. So, ngayon, let's proceed to the accuracy test. Okay? So, the target box is 2.3 meters away and the target size is 4 centimeters na bilog. Okay? Ngayon, ang target na para dito sa unit nyo, gagamitin natin is the fourth one sa top, no? From the right. Okay, actually, pwede rin siya fourth one from the left. Kasi nasa center yung, basically yung pinaka-center doon sa pinaka-top. Kasi 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 lang yun eh. 7 lang yung bilog eh. So, yung pinaka-center. Okay? So, ito. Check natin kung diretso ba to. Okay, 6 o'clock yung tama. Umangat ng konti. Okay, 6 o'clock ulit. 6 o'clock ulit. 6 o'clock ulit. Okay, so hindi ko lang sure kung bumababa yung BB dahil doon sa hop o kailangan i-adjust ng taas ng konti or something like that. Pero basically, sa pool naman yung 4 cm and diretso siya. Yun yung importante. Okay? So, ayun sir, nag-open na yung slide. Removing the magazine. Wala nang bala. Okay? So, as usual, lagi ko tinuturo. Pull back the slide instead of pushing down the slide catch. Para hindi makayod yung kanal. Okay? So, to hammer down. And okay na to. Okay? So, ayun, Sir Allen, okay na tong unit nyo. So, pwede ko na siyang i-pack and then ipadala sa inyo. Okay? So, ayun, sir. Thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po, sir. Bye-bye.